In this video, I will show you step by step how videos like this are created, so watch to the end. Today, we're diving into Roboneo Web, a social media content creation agent. It's designed to help creators grow their channels using ready-to-use viral templates. Whether you're starting from zero or remixing popular formats, this tool makes the process simple. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so now so you don't miss any updates. What is Roboneo? Firstly, Roboneo is a video generator that doesn't require any editing skills or complicated software. When you create a new project, you'll see two options: Agent plus Canvas or Workflow. We're focusing on Workflow in this video. Why? Because it's reusable and gives you full control, perfect for real projects. Understanding workflows. What is a workflow? A workflow means creating videos step by step. Each step is called a node. For example, one node writes the script. Another creates an image. That image then becomes a video. Finally, music is added. The best part? You can connect all these steps together and reuse the same structure for future projects. If you don't want to start from scratch, you can use the pre-made templates, which is what we're going to do now. Template category 1, special effects ads. These are perfect for short promotional videos with viral effects. Let me open one here. It all starts with text. You describe the scene, what the object looks like, the lighting, and all the little details. That text then goes into a text-to-image node, and Roboneo turns it into an actual image. From there, you can tweak it by changing details or adjusting the style of the scene. Next step is image to video, where that same text and visuals are used to turn a still picture into a clip. Then, we just add background music on top. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but it helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks. Alright folks, let's wrap this up. Roboneo isn't just another tool, it's an inspiration engine. Whether you're a creator, a designer, or someone struggling with slow click-through rates, this platform can help turn your ideas into engaging clips in minutes. You can combine your concepts with viral-style workflows to produce new posts faster than ever. The templates make things even easier. Just swap the image, change a few details, and your next viral video could be ready to go. For more consistent, high-quality results, you can build scenes with real objects, motion, and materials. Generate shot scripts for better control, and use the AI outfit changer to match characters perfectly with your vision. Small tweaks like these can make a huge difference in the final result. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear about your experience. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials and AI tools just like this. What stands out the most to me is how quickly it responds and how easy the interface is to use. You don't really need any technical experience to start experimenting with it. You simply type what you want and the AI starts generating results almost instantly. What I also like is that tools like Roboneo show how artificial intelligence is becoming more accessible to everyone. Just a few years ago, creating content or generating ideas at this speed would have taken a lot more time and effort. Now, platforms like this are helping people move much faster. Of course, like any AI tool, the real value comes from how you use it. The better your prompts and ideas are, the better results you'll get. Overall, Roboneo looks like a platform worth exploring, especially if you're someone who enjoys discovering new AI tools